Hello friends, welcome to Story Boost English. In today's video, we will get to know about Laura. So let's start! Hi everyone! I'm Laura and I'm 12 years old. I'm so excited to share a bit about myself with you. I'm a curious and creative person who loves exploring new things. I live with my mom, dad, and my little brother Max, who always keeps things lively at home. At school, I'm passionate about art and science, and I'm always eager to dive into new projects and experiments. When I'm not studying, I enjoy playing soccer, where I get to run around and have fun with my friends. I also love reading adventure books and trying out new recipes with my mom, especially when it involves baking delicious cookies. And I can't forget about my furry friend Whiskers. He's my playful companion and always makes me laugh. I'm really looking forward to sharing my daily adventures, family moments, and everything else with you. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Subscribe for more stories. Goodbye, friends.